First we can delete this product from this image with this shadow. Now we can go to eBay store. Here I have selected this product image. Select this image, copy image, then Ctrl plus N in the Photoshop, then paste it, Ctrl plus V, Ctrl Alt plus scroll button so that zoom out the screen. Here I have select a pen tool, then select this like this. You can select edge to edge of the product so that it can cut properly. After selecting the edge, press Ctrl plus Enter button, then Ctrl J for the duplicate of the product, and original product, remove it. Now you can go to image here, then auto tone, auto contrast, auto color. After that you can select adjustment for brightness 30% at least. After that you can click on the image and drag and drop to the image where you wanted to put on it. Right click of the image, convert into smart object, then Ctrl plus T to select, and then decrease the image size like this. And then you can do the second images as well. Same process we can do. After selection complete, Ctrl plus Enter to select the image, then Ctrl J, duplications, remove the original image background, then go to image, here auto tone, auto contrast, auto color, and then increase the brightness of the image. Select and drag and drop, here you can put, then move to the layer of the original product, smart object, and then decrease the image size. Okay, now duplicate the product by pressing Ctrl J button, then move to below the layer, then right click of the image and resize the layer, select Ctrl T and right click of your mouse button, then flip verticals, then move the image below, and then after the select eraser tool, then erase it like this. Then you can decrease the opacity as per image brightness, like 30% or 40%. 45%. Like this. Same process we can do like this. You can rasterize the image, Control T, and then right click and then vertical update. Here, select the eraser tool and erase it. Then after that we can put beauty cream bar soap title. That's it. Then control save to the PSD file. After that, for saving the JPG, Alt Control Shift S. Then we can save it here, or we can save as it is, like go to file, save image, select a JPG here and put the name, then okay, save, done.